Hey guys, welcome to Joe's Tube Time, where I'm going to show you how you can make money with your smartphone, tablet, PC, or laptop. And this thing right here, okay, I'm going to tell you because I personally know, because I do it for a source of income. This thing that I'm going to show you is going to change your life. You need to buy nothing. You need to pay nothing. You need to buy no starter kit. At no time do you need to buy anything. You're not going to get to the end of this and it's going to say, okay, now enter your credit card number and you can have your life changed. You know, it's simple. Do you feel that you need more money? Who doesn't, right? Do you feel that you are worth more than you currently make? And do you feel that you want more freedom in your life? Now, if you've answered yes to at least one of those questions, you're in the right place. This is all you have to do, guys. I am going to personally show you and walk you through and explain to you. Not bots, not automated features, not me in a video. I am going to personally show you and walk you through how to do this. It's very simple. After this video, go into the description and click the link there. You're going to click that link. It's going to take you to my page. You're going to sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to get 2 emails. One's just verify, that you gave me your email address. And the other one is your lesson plan. You need to complete the entire lesson plan. Now, let me tell you this. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to do this, and in a week, you're not going to be a millionaire. Okay? But what I'm going to tell you what this is and the potential of it. If you put the time and effort into this now, don't quit your job. Don't say, oh, I found a new source of income and I don't need to do anything else. Not yet. You can jump in the gun. You stay with this course. Sometimes in the beginning, people get overwhelmed. That's what I'm here for. Contact me and I will walk you through it. People overcomplicate this. There's all these things. You got to click all these things. It gets confusing. But once you do it every day for a few days, you realize that there's 3 basic things you need to know. 1, it's not hard. 2, you do these simple tasks every day. Click this, send that, do this every single day, and you will get the hang of it. Now, once you do this, you can build this up to the potential where you no longer have to do this. Where you no longer have to go and do all this stuff anymore. Where you can simply get up in the morning, open your laptop or your smartphone or device, send a couple emails, talk to a couple people every day, and then you're done. This is reality. You can do this. You can get there. Now, everybody's different. It depends on how much time you put into this in the beginning. Some people, now these are realistic numbers. Some people have been doing this for 3 years and they make $20,000 to $30,000 a month. Some people have been doing this for 2 years and they make $1,000 a month. It all depends on how much time and effort you put into this. You are building something here. This is not autopilot, get rich quick, do this, do that, and you're done. This is not it. That's why I said don't quit your job. Don't quit your day job. Keep doing your day job. Put the time and effort into this for a few hours each day is all it takes. If you're happy with an extra $500 a month, you can basically do nothing. You can basically get up in the morning, click a couple things, do a couple things, and bam, there you go. There's multiple ways to get paid. You can get a check. You can go right into your account. They can hold the money and you can get large disbursements. You can have them go into your PayPal. They give you, you can get a debit card and have the money debited right into that particular card. You don't have to give them your personal account. There are many ways to do this. Now, you are building a communication sales network with this. It works, plain and simple. I've done it myself. I will help you and walk you through it, just like the guy that got me helped me. You know, I was down, I was out. I was looking into internet marketing and affiliate marketing for a while. I was thinking about making the move, but I was so broke that I didn't have any money in my pocket for any of these conference startups, these package startups, get ahead, you know, skip 3 steps, just, you know, pay this $500 and go to one meeting. I didn't have that. I had zero money. I didn't even have $2.99 to pay one of these sites one-time viewing fee. There was a one site where you could go to, you paid $2.99 and you got to have a whole walk down of what you had to do. I didn't even have that. So I looked around and I saw this. No startup, no cost, no anything out of your pocket. You give them nothing. You get 45% commission of everything that is bought under your link. So if you're aggravated, if you need extra money, if you're in a point in your life where you just can't do the same thing anymore, maybe you work at a gas station, maybe you work at a grocery store, maybe you do a job that you hate and you can't take it, go to the description, click the link, sign up, and I'll be talking to you. Thanks for watching the video. There's a lot more videos to come. Click subscribe, but this is the real deal. Once I found this, you will find no more videos from me on any other topic but this. So right now, guys, this is the time. Change your life. Go to the description, click the link, you'll see my picture, there's a message there for you. Sign up, give it a try, doesn't cost you anything. You know, wouldn't you be aggravated if you let the one chance that could change your entire life go by that didn't cost you anything but a click and looking around? Do it. If you don't like it, if it's not for you, you can opt out. You click the button and they stop sending you emails. But I suggest you go, click the link in the description, and sign up. And I will personally teach you everything you need to know. And it's not a lot. And you'll change your life. And you'll have the freedom you need and the funds you need to live the life that you deserve. This is real talk from a real person, not a sales pitch. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Catch you in the next video.